Ever wonder who keeps the digital world running behind the scenes? Meet the server manager, the unsung hero of IT. While everyone's busy streaming, shopping, or working online, server managers are the ones making sure all those servers stay online, secure, and lightning fast. Think of server managers as digital mechanics. They set up, tune, and protect the servers that power everything from your favorite websites to massive company databases. Day to day, you'll find them juggling software updates, managing backups, keeping hackers at bay, and planning for the worst, like a system crash at 3 a.m. So, how do you get started in server management? Step 1. Master the basics. Get comfortable with computer networking and operating systems like Linux or Windows Server. There are tons of beginner-friendly courses out there. Coursera, Udemy, and a goldmine of YouTube tutorials. Want to stand out? Snag certs like CompTIA Server Plus or AWS SysOps. And don't forget hands-on practice. Spin up virtual machines, mess with web servers, break things, fix them, repeat. The real magic? It's in the details. Server managers have to know their way around web servers, databases, email, and file sharing. They need to speak the language of IP addresses, DNS, and command lines. They're masters at monitoring performance, automating backups, and locking down systems with firewalls and regular security checks. But it's not all code and cables. Soft skills matter. If you can troubleshoot under pressure, explain tech to non-tech folks, and keep your cool when things go sideways, you're already halfway there. So next time your favorite site loads instantly, or your company's data is safe after a power outage, thank a server manager. If you're ready for a career that powers the backbone of the digital world, start learning, start experimenting, and step into the spotlight. Server management needs you.